Good Saturday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Today's weather shows a pretty decent ridge across the western sections of the Bering and eastern sections of Russia and Siberia. On the south side of that is low pressure. It has tropical origins, and it is producing some light rain and drizzle, likely on the south side of the central Aleutians this afternoon. The low is not terribly deep at 1,008 millibars, but it will become a player in the several days to come. Meanwhile, across the eastern Gulf, a 970 millibar low sitting off the coast of Haida Gwaii. That's bringing a front through southeast, creating some light rain across parts of the Panhandle this afternoon. Some light rain also around Kodiak Island and across the Alaska Range with a frontal boundary just north of Fairbanks and sitting on the south side of the Brooks Range. A colder north flow is reaching the Arctic coast with light snow falling there, and in some cases over the next few days, several inches of snow may fall across the Arctic coast as new ice is forming along the north coast as well. You can see that anytime by heading to weather.gov/Anchorage/ice. For the Brooks Range and areas along the north, look for some pockets of rain and snow to mix. Some of that will be sliding toward Fairbanks in the next 2 days or so. You may see some of that as early as Sunday. Snow showers a little bit farther west, mainly east of Galena as we head into tonight and tomorrow, with high pressure sitting across the western Aleutians. This ridge, again, is fairly stable at 1,030 millibars, and it's going to stay in place there as we head through Sunday afternoon, sitting right across the central Aleutians. On the back side of that, though, is another stronger area of low pressure that will be forming, and we're going to watch this one to see where it goes across the northern and western Bering Sea. If it catches up with some colder air, it can impact areas a little bit farther north into the northern parts of the Bering Sea, mainly north of the YK Delta as we head into early parts of next week. Low pressure just south of Haida Gwaii, still sitting and spinning but filling in. The occlusion's gone, and that means a 976 millibar low may keep some light rainfall across northern and southern parts of southeast, with some drier weather there for places like Sitka and maybe nosing into places like Juneau and Petersburg as we get into Monday. Scattering of snow showers possible as we head into Monday, mainly across the interior. That will include Fairbanks, and some light accumulations will be possible there as high pressures pushing cold north winds across Norton Sound and the Seward Peninsula. Things should be drying up there a little bit to start the week. Low pressure across the western Bering dropping to 992 millibars. High pressure still in charge of the eastern Aleutians with a strong north and westerly flow coming over the Alaska Peninsula and Kodiak Island and down Cook Inlet. With Alaska's statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder.